seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain.
Someone up here got searched.
First time ever.
First time.
Right there. Sorry, he got searched. You don't understand how enjoyable this is for me.
Wait, he got searched in the crotch?
Yeah.
That's where I got searched last time.
It's like you.
Enjoyed every minute of it.
Oh, that's not appropriate for TV.
It was like 6:30.
So it's 6:30. So it took us 20 minutes to park, wait for the bus, which took the longest part,
Yeah.
get to the airport, get our tickets,
There's nobody
get through
here.
security, which we were the only ones in security.
Security.
And yeah,
But it was fun.
Now we're
carrying a
here.
suitcase.
an hour and 55 minutes early to wait.
Waiting.
Better than being late though.
Yep. Hurry up and wait. We're sitting in the terminal. Olivia forgot her bunny and blanket in the car. Luckily we have plenty of time, so I had to run back to the car to get this little thing, this little one, and her blankie to make Olivia happy. Because girlie can't spend the night without her blankie and stuffed animal. Gotta travel with you, and they're snuggly. Yeah, it's fine. You're welcome, sweetie. There you go.
You feel better now?
Okay, don't leave it anywhere else, please. Ran back to the car to grab blanket and bunny. Came all the way back through security. You guys will be happy to know I got patted down again. And chased down a bus to get back here.
Cool. I'm sorry, what?
They cut down so many trees to build one teeny airport.
I don't think I have the heart to tell you how much fuel it takes to fly and what that does to the environment either. So what do you think of Breeze?
I like it, but their head is a little too high for me.
She doesn't get to enjoy this really fancy headrest.
Only a little bit.
So, I mean, I know this is new, but these planes are so much fancier than the banana plane, aren't they? Did you see this, Olivia? Watch this.
Yours has a little sticker. What does mine?
What does that mean?
What does mine have? How do yours?
So yeah, you lift it up, like, it's got this little tray. Little phone holder, that's so nice. There.
Oh, mine doesn't have a sticker. That's it.
Alan.
Wait, you can use this on the. Wait, can you use this during?
Did a kid leave it there, or is that one of those things?
Wait, then what are these ones? Wait, then what are these ones?
Those are instructions. This is your tray. So, your tray.
Oh,
Yep. Easy.
sorry.
It's okay. And this is amazing. Like, I gotta flip the camera up. It has phone charger. It has chargers like on the back of the seats, and it has coat rack hangers, like hangers, right here on the side. Like, it's so fancy.
I did not know it's hard to flip.
Yeah, how cool is that?
Yeah, it's nice.
With budget airlines, because you have to pay for the carry-on bags, we try to get everything we can in a personal item. We've discovered that the two things that we really actually use on an airplane for me and the kids is either a lollipop or candy cane, something to suck on. Something to chew on or suck on helps with the ear pressure. And then an electronic device, either a phone or a tablet with headphones. And that pretty much is all we need for the entire flight. And these phone trays at the top are so nice. So we usually try to fly super early in the morning or late in the evening. That way the kids and Alan can actually sleep on the flight and we can spend more time at our destination. They have live music. Live music.
It's a piano and everything.
Impressive. We're gonna hang out in Providence for a few days. So we're gonna check out Providence, Rhode Island, and then we're gonna go over to Nantucket, Massachusetts. Jesse's over here making all sorts of noises.
Hotel flight deck ready to board for departure. Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
We're taking off. Are we the one way?
Yeah, I think so. How'd you do during takeoff?
Felt like a roller coaster.
What? Yes, you are. Great job. I did not pay to select my own seats, so when we got there and we got the assigned seats, my 16-year-old son was several rows away from us, which was no issue. I went to the desk and they fixed it, no problem whatsoever. So overall, we had a really good experience with Breeze Airline. The airplane is obviously a lot newer than like what you're gonna get at most flights with Spirit or anything like that, but for a budget airline, it was really good. So I would totally fly with them again.